YouTube. So I went to Dairy Queen, not even thinking. I seen this Superman cookie cake batter or something like that, right? And I said I had to get it. And still wasn't thinking about making a video, but after I seen it, I was like, oh, this is Superman. Like, they promoting the movie. So I said, let's give it a shot, give it a try. Superman. So let's try it out. You feel me? Okay. I can rock with that. I'm not a big sprinkle person. But I can deal with it in this right here. I'm tearing this up. Dairy Queen did their thing with this one. 5 out of 5.